If you ask most people today about artificial intelligence, they will probably say the same thing. AI is going to take people's jobs. But the full reality is more complex than that. Yes, some jobs are already starting to disappear, but at the same time something else is happening. Artificial intelligence is also creating entirely new types of jobs that simply did not exist a few years ago. And some of these jobs were not even possible before this technology existed. To understand what is happening now, it helps to look at history. When the internet first appeared, many people were worried that traditional jobs would disappear. But over time, the internet created completely new careers like web developers, digital marketers, and social media managers. Artificial intelligence is now creating a similar transformation, but this time the change is happening much faster. One of the new roles that has started to appear is called a prompt engineer. At first, this might sound simple. It is basically the ability to communicate with AI systems in a way that produces powerful results. But in reality, there is a big difference between asking a random question and designing a precise prompt that guides the AI to generate high-quality answers. Most people use AI tools in a very basic way and receive average results. But someone who understands how to structure prompts can turn the same tool into a powerful system capable of generating ideas, research, strategies, and complex solutions. Some companies are already hiring people specifically for this skill, because the quality of the input often determines the quality of the output. Another emerging role is AI Automation Builder. Instead of performing every task manually, it is now possible to design systems where multiple AI tools work together. For example, a workflow can automatically research a topic, summarize the information, generate a written article, create images for it, and even publish the content online. People who know how to connect different AI tools into these automated systems are becoming increasingly valuable because they help businesses save time and operate more efficiently. There is also a growing role in the world of content creation known as an AI content strategist. Today, producing content is no longer the biggest challenge because I can generate text, visuals, and ideas very quickly. The real challenge is deciding what content should exist in the first place. This is where human thinking becomes essential. A strategist understands audiences, trends, and communication, and then uses AI tools to turn ideas into content much faster than before. Even in software development, the way people work is evolving. Many programmers no longer write every line of code entirely on their own. Instead, they collaborate with AI tools that help generate code, detect bugs, and suggest solutions. This does not mean programming has become easy. It means the workflow itself is changing. If we look at all these examples, a pattern becomes clearer. The new jobs created by artificial intelligence are not simply about using tools. They are about thinking, designing systems, and directing technology effectively. Artificial intelligence is not creating a future without work. It is creating a future where the most valuable people are those who understand how to use powerful tools intelligently. The people who learn to work with AI will unlock new opportunities. The people who ignore it may slowly fall behind. The future will not belong to artificial intelligence alone. It will belong to the people who learn how to use it wisely.